Children, welcome back to your math video. I am a math teacher Jeevita. In the last video also we learned about percentage. So just do a short recap on what you learned in your last video. So you learned how to represent a percentage. So it is just like fractions, but the whole number of parts will be 100. And then we also learned how to convert from decimals or fractions to percentage. When you are converting to percentage, you should multiply by 100. And you learn from percentage to fraction or decimal. If you want to convert from percentage to others, you will divide by 100. This is what you learned in your previous video. Today, we will continue and learn some more in this percentage. So, I want everyone to take a rough book, your textbook and your accessories to write. Page number 107, exercise 6.3. So first two mains or 3, 4. So first 4 mains is just a recap for you. What you have done in your previous video, same thing we'll be doing here. So let's do something each because it's just a recap. So first main, you are converting it from fraction to percentage. So anything you are converting from something percentage, you have to multiply it with 100. So 3 by 50 into 100, 50 ones are 50, 52s are 100. So it is 3 2s are 6. The answer is 6%. Let's see the next one. So let me take a tough one. Okay, E1, 64 by 25 into 100. 25 ones are 25. Should just divide with two numbers to get the answer. 25 fours are 100. So 64 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 1 carry. 6 fours are 24 plus 1. 25. So this is the percentage. So you have to just multiply this with 100. Next you are going to do second mean. So it is percentage and you are converting from percent to decimals. So you have to divide by 100. So let's take the A1, 20%. Divided by 100 you get. So no need of cancelling, we can just follow the normal method what we did. We have a decimal, we have to shift it 2 times. So my answer will be 0.20. This is my decimal. Second one. So I take this is tough or different one, that is I take the E1 begin here, 115%. So 115 divided by 100. Think decimal is in the last. 1, 2 jumps. So my answer will be 1.15%. So not percent, it is decimal. 1.15 is my decimal. Now let's go for the third one. Write each as a percentage. So you have the decimal. You have to write it in percentage. So you should multiply by 100. So let me take A, 0.02 into 100. So if you multiply wherever the decimal point turn, it goes to the right side. So you have 2 zeros, jump 2 numbers. So it will be here 2.0 percentage. So let me take a different one. Again I take the E1, 0.52 into 100. Just jump times, it will be 52.0%. So next fourth mean, express each of the following percentage as a fraction in its lowest form. So you are going to convert from percentage to fraction. So you have to divide by 100. So A, you have 25%. Just divided by 100 now. 25 by 100. And I can cancel this. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. So it will be 1 by 4. This is my lowest term because I can't cancel it anymore. This is lowest form. Next one, I take E1, 101%. 101 divided by 100. I cannot cancel it anymore. So this will be the simplest form. So now let's go for the fifth main, children. In fifth main, find the value of the following. It is something new. So let us learn first along with doing the sums. So first listen to me and then practice in your book. Fifth main, I have 45% of 200. So that means you have 200 pieces, means 2 box, 100 box, 100 pieces here, 100 pieces here. Totally 45% is shaded. So now will you represent this in numbers? Find the value means you have to find it either in decimal or in fraction. Anything is fine. So for this what should I do is, I should simply divide 45 by 100 and I should multiply this with 200. So remember, percentage is divided by 100. Whatever off you have, you should multiply with that. So 2 zeros get cancelled. 45 twos are 90. So this is the number. This is number from a percentage. This was first one. What did I do is, I took 45%, wrote it in fraction form, and of 200, I multiplied the 200 with this. I cancel these 2 zeros. So I have remainder here 2 and here 45. 45 into 2 is 90. So I found the value of 45% of 200. That means 90 boxes are shaded in 200 pieces. You have 200 boxes, means 100 here, 100 here. Okay? In totally 90 pieces are shaded. Okay? This is the meaning of it. Now let's go for the next one. So let me take the last three sums. 32% of 168. Of 168. This is F1. Fifth main F1. So 32 by 100 into 168. So let's divide this. Now simplification. 2 16s are 32. 2 50s are 100. Again I can write 2 8s are 16, 2 25s are 50. So I have 8 by 25 into 168. Now what will I do? I can't cancel 8 and 25. Similarly, I can't cancel 25 and 168 also. So what I do is I multiply these two numbers. 8 into 168. What do you get? 8 8 is 64. So I write it the other way, you get confused. 168 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 4 6 carry. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 6, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 4, 5 carry. 8 1s are 8 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is the answer. So I write it here. Okay, this was working, children. I showed you how to get this answer. So we get 1344 divided by 25. This would be the answer for it. You can also keep the numbers in fraction, I told you, right? The value may be number, a decimal or a fraction. All are good. Fine. Now let's go for next sum. 73% of 204. So I am taking the G sum. 73% of 204. 73 divided by 100 into 204. I can cancel this 2 into 1 the 250 the 102 the. Again I can cancel this in two tables. 225 the 2 the 1 the 21 the. So I can't cancel anymore. So what I do is I write the first numbers here after cancelling. What are the numbers I have? Multiply these two numbers. 73 into 21. 3, 7 plus 6, 14. 3, 13. 4 plus 1, 5, 1. My answer would be 1533 divided by 25. This is my value. So let me work out one more sum, that is hex sum for you. The question here is 20% of 800. 20 by 100 into 800. Cancel the two zeros. You have 20 into 8. This is equal to 160. This is the value. Now let's go for the next sum. That is the sixth main. Find the percentage of the given quantity. Just like how you did this, in the next main they have only kgs and grams, they are units, that's it. So whenever you find a final answer, you should write that whether they have given kgs, write kgs here. If they are given centimeters, write centimeters here. That is the difference, that's it children. Okay, so let me work out few sums for that. The first one, 6 means first one. 30% of 2 kg. So you should write 30 by 100 into 2. 0 0 2 5 are. So my answer is 3 by 5. I have kg. So write kg. This will be my answer. So next let me take. Okay, I'll take the last three sums. Hij. Okay, I'll take the E sum also for you because there is a mixed fraction. So E, H, I, J. I'll be working out for you. First E. 5 1 by 2%. of 75 kg. So convert this into improper fraction. You get 11 by 2. And I have to divide it by 100. So I can just write into 100 in the denominator. Into 75. So what do I get? 200 here, 75 here. So let's divide it using 5 ones are. 5 40s are, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 75. Again I can divide this further. This is 3 5s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. 5 8s are 40. So what is the answer I have? 11 into 3 is 33 by 8. This is the answer and I have kg, so I have to write kg in the last. Now I'll work out the head sum. 8% of 512 kg. So hours. So children, we were doing the for 6th main H1 where we have to find the percentage of the given quantity. 8% of 512 hours. 512 hours. So let's find it. 8% will be 8 by 100 of means into 512. So cancel this. 250s are 100. 2 4s are 8. Again 225s are 225s is 50. 2 2s are 4. So what is the number remaining here? 2 into 512 divided by 25. So let's find the answer for this. So 2 into 512 will be 1024 divided by 25. So let's divide the numbers with 25. 24 by 25. So 25. You can't take these two numbers because 10 is very small and 25 I have to take these three numbers. So 4s are 100, 2 remainder on 40. So 25 is less than 25. So add a 0 and keep a decimal and add a 0 here. So again you should get 200, 125, 125, 50, 150. 100, 4, 8, 8, 9. So you get 9 down. 9s are 225. So answer will be subtracted. You get 15 and it keeps on going. So let's just stop it here. So when I get one decimal point is 10, so the answer would be 40.9%. 40.9%. Now let's go for the next main, that is 7th main. Express the given quantity as percentage. Percentage. So children, in the 7th main, they have asked you to write it in percentage. That is, they have given 24 hours out of 36 hours, right? 36 hours. What is the percentage of 24 hours in 36 hours? How will you find that is, you write 24 divided with 36 and whatever is the answer, you multiply it 100, you get it in percentage. So let us divide and see. I can take this in 12 ones, right? 12 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So now 2 divided by 3 into 100. So what will be my answer? It is 200 by 3. So let us divide 200 and 3. 3 6 are 18. Again 3 6 are 18. So again I get 2 remainder. So again it goes on continuing 66.6666. So my answer is 66.6%. Okay. So I show you one more sum. Let me take the D sum, which is a little different. Where D sum has 20 minutes of 2 hours. If you see here, it is in minutes and this is in hours. When it is like this, we cannot do any multiplication or addition, any mathematical operation. So both should be in same unit. So I can convert hours into minutes. I know how to convert it. So 2 hours is equal to how many minutes, children? 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 hours will be 120 minutes. 120 minutes. Both are in minutes now. So now I will follow the same step here. That is 20 divided by 120 into 100. So let's cancel them. It is 2 1s are 2 6s are. I can write it as 2 3s are 2 50s are. So my answer would be 50 by 3. So divide 50 by 3 and what is the answer you get? 50 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. 0.666, it goes on continuing. So the answer for this is 16.6%. 16.6%. And all the other things are very simple. You can try it out. The F1 is it's like D sum. One is in grams and one is in kgs. So first you have to convert kgs to grams and then you should follow this method. Now we'll go for the 8th main. Which of the following is greater? Which of the following is greater? To say which is greater, first I should write the number of it. So first I should find 25 of 200. So what is 250? Is 25 of 250. So let me see what is the number I get. This 2 5 2s are 5 5s are. So answer would be 5 5s are 25. 125 divided by 2. Now divide this and see what is the answer you get. 2 1s are and 2 6. 2.5. 62.5. You can write the number in division form and check the answer, children. 62.5. So the first number is 62.5. Now let's find the second number here. That is 30% of 200. That's very easy. It is 30 into 2 is 60. The second number is 60. So which is greater in this? Absolutely 62.5 is greater than 60. So mark the greater sign there. And one more sum is for you to practice. There is only 2 sums. One I have done for you. Other one I want you to see the answer. Now let's go for the 9th main, which is the statement problems. So now let's read the statement. Look at the textbooks. First one. There are 200 balloons in a bag. While carrying the bag to a place, it was found that 15 balloons bursted. what percentage of the balloon bursted? So how do you find that? 19 plus 1 plus 1. Total balloons. How many total balloons you have? You have 200 balloons. Balloons bursted. What is the number of balloons which is bursted? It is 15. So percentage of what we want? Percentage of balloon bursted here. Percentage of balloons bursted. So what we should do? We should first write the number of balloons which is bursted divided by total number of balloons. Multiply them with 100. You get the percentage. 0, 0 get cancels. 2 1 are 2, 7.5. So the answer is 7.5%. So let us try one more sum. Second one. Vasu gets 600 rupees per month as pocket money. He spends 40% of his pocket money and saves the rest of it. How much does he spend every month? How much does he save every month? So first let me write how much is the Vasu's pocket money. So first statement will be Vasu's pocket money is equal to rupees 600. How much percent did he spend? He spends percentage he spends is 40%. So percentage you know always you calculate for 100. So if 40% is spent, how much percentage did he save? So take out 40 from 100. It is 60. So percentage he saves 60%. Okay. Now what should we find out? The first one we should find out how much money he spends every month. They have given percentage. We have to find the money. So how do we find? Amount he spends will be equal to, take the percentage, divide it by 100, multiply with the total amount here, 600. You will get the answer. 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 4s are 24 and 0. So this is the amount he spends. Okay, 240 rupees he spends. Amount he saves. How much amount did he save? In 600, he spends 240 rupees. So minus those both, you get the answer how much he saves. So he saves 360 rupees. He saves 360 rupees. The third, fourth, fifth one I want you to practice. If any doubts you can ask me in the practice session. I will be explaining it again for you. By this we have completed the lesson Profit and Loss Table. Thank you. Bye bye.